Hi guys, this is a short review of the BBQ smoker grill. Actually, you see here I bought this one for $99.99. It used to be 150. Uh, One of the things that I want to say about this grill is, firstly, out of the box, missing parts. I missed a few parts, and probably will be taking it back to the shop. Uh, Also, it's wobbly, as you can see, not very steady. I tried all I could to get it steady. The parts I missed came from here. You see, I'm still building up, but all the interior here, nothing came. And other thing that I want to know, it's not very stable and a little bit tricky. It looks risky just opening it. See, oh man, I'm gonna enjoy some of this fish, man. Looking good enough for me. But another thing that I wanted to say is, oh man, those fish they look good. You have to reach over the coal to get there, and it's hot. So that's one of the things that I don't like about this. I prefer the ones that you open and then you can work aside from reaching over the coal. So by the, to say, for example, if this fish is stuck, to get it freed from there, man, you before you could turn it, you're sweating already. You burned. I burned my hand twice or three times today already, just trying to reach over there. Like I said, it's cheap. Maybe you could say I got what I paid for, but if you just want something cheap that you don't really mind reaching above the coal, and possibly you don't mind receiving it with some few parts that are missing, because I missed quite a few parts. All this I can't use this section because nothing came for those, and it's a little bit wobbly, as you can see. Then you go for it. But I would recommend a better brand or something else. But so far it's, well, as you can see, it still works. And also the the temperature gauge works well, so that's a plus for it though. But just the fact that it came with missing parts and it's wobbly, and I have to reach over the coal uh, turn the fish, I would give it like a 5.5 on 10. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Bye bye.